What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to a car meet. So right now we are going to meet up with Damien and On. I don't really know where the meet is. Wilson just told me about it like an hour ago, but I figured I'd film it because it'd be a good YouTube video. So we are in the 340. We are headed to the car wash to go meet up with the guys. I just put the new wheels on the Z, so it looks really cool and I really like how it's turning out. But I have to go home after car wash and make sure I have everything for the meet, and then we will all cruise down there. So I'll see you guys when I make it to the car wash. All right, guys, we made it to the car wash. We got On right here. Damien's somewhere over here. Oh, there he is. Good old Damien. Yo! Hello, Muddy.
What up, Ready, Damien?
Greetings. What's up, Mud? Looking clean. Okay, so per usual, we are running just a hair late. I am leaving my house right now. I had to stop and change. And then I'm gonna meet up with all the guys. Alright, so we're pulling up to the meet right now. We got Q50, maybe a S4, 370Z, Mustang, C7, GTI. I don't have a clue where I'm supposed to park, so I'm just gonna have to hope that I find my friends and I can get a spot somewhere. Oh, there's a... I actually don't know who that is. Never mind. I guess we'll come in here looking for On, or maybe a spot to park.
Not a spot right now, man.
Alright.
Yeah, there is one spot. Right where that Lamborghini pulled out of. It's down on the right-hand side.
Alright, bet. Alright, so a Lamborghini pulled out, and now we're putting an M340 in it. So, I low-key mogged. I'm mogging a Huracan. Alright, so I'm looking for my friends right now. Damn. That shit is hard. Big me on there. Damn. Dude, that must have been the 370Z, bro. Bro, how's the 370Z making that much noise, bro? That's crazy. That shit's actually super clean. Yeah, that's the one who was pressing me too.
Yeah, he was pressing you too.
Dude, this is actually pretty clean. The Fismos are nice. Alright, behind this guy's head, if he'll move. There's Dilraj. There's Wilson back there. Wilson. Bro, what? Got Yardo on the trailer, missing a headlight. Yo, it's probably just a turbo. What the? Is that low-key crazy? Dude, that's probably the hardest car they have here, bro. This M340. They got you a spot in the front row, bro. Because this is the hardest car here. This is mineral gray, right? Is this mineral gray? Damn, this shit is hard. Carbon seats. What? That's motion. Yeah, that shit's actually insane. W Lotus. Smooth little Aventador. We got On Supra. Piece of shit. Bro, he said that.
Fuck did this
No, there was a dude. There was a Huracan pulling out, and he was like, "Oh, you could just park where he was."
Perfect. Dude, it's hard as fucking does.
Come on.
It looks fast, but it's not.
No, it's slow as shit, bro.
No, but it looks like fast with the.
Yeah, these are nice. I'm excited to put the ones on the Z. I got 285s for the rear. We'll be tucking on a 350.
Yeah. That's kind of crazy.
Kind of a dub.
It looks so much better.
Alright guys, out of every car here, this is definitely the hardest one. I would pick this over an Aventador, bro.
Yep.
Over a SVJ, I'm picking this over everything. Damn, that's just actually hella clean. That's a little dude. It's not that bad, bro. It's kind of clean.
There's like 7 different colors going on.
Bro, you had a WRX.
I know, but it was not like that.
Dude, these are actually pretty clean, bro. It's too bad they're slow as shit into Scion. There's my car. There's On's car. And then they got a little Frenchie over there, right there. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm in the back seat. All right, Wilson, are we getting in?
Turn it.
It's pointing you.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Damn.
Comment everyone that shows up.
That shit's hard. What the fuck? Oh, here we go. Showstopper. Carbon hood. That shit's hard, bro. It's actually blaze worthy.
Oh, actually.
Oh yeah. That's
Wilson guy's pretty funny. Drum brake to the front and the back. Oh, it's on Pirellis though. It's on Pirellis.
those are nice tires.
With curve.
No, that's hard.
You dropped it. You've dropped it before.
Yeah, I have.
Hey, it doesn't look good, bro.
Damn. Yeah, this shit's nice.
Salvage title!
Ooh.
Salvage title!
Alright guys, we are leaving the meet right now. See if we can get out of here. This dude in this GT63 just decided to park like a goob.
Hey, just hit it.
It's just a GT63. Guys, so we are leaving the meet right now. There's a pretty good turnout actually. Still a lot of people here, and there's still like an hour left of the meet, but we are going to meet up with Dylan, Braden, Wilson, and Ryder, and we're gonna get some grub. So hopefully I have a lot of footage so I can post this. Otherwise we're gonna be doing stuff later, so I'll just pick the camera back up, but I will maybe see you guys after. All right, so we got the M4, we got a big turbo Civic, we got M341, and as you guys know, we got M342 right here. We are cruising to get food right now, I think. I don't know where we're going for food. I think there's a Chipotle, but as far as I know, we're just getting food. The meet was actually pretty cool. I've never been to where the meet was, but it was like this random city like 40 minutes south, but it was actually a pretty good turnout, and the environment was super cool. I have no idea where we're going right now, so I kind of just gotta follow, which sucks.